Prior to the use of money, people would simply barter. Person A would give person X some wood, and person B would receive, say, eggs. If person A did not want wood, person B would first have to find person 3 willing to give him a knife for his work, and then person 2 would have to give a knife to person 1 so that he could receive person 1's axe. This would have been too complicated, so something needed to be held in common that everyone would accept in order for money to be used as a medium of exchange. Money is essentially a commonly used medium of commerce. People don't have to barter it, they just swap with money. Nowadays, each country merely has its own currency. For example, let's say that seashells are used as money. This means that instead of bartering, person 1 pays person 2, say, 2 seashells for his axe. And when person 1 decides he also needs a knife from person 3, he pays him in seashells as well, because that's what everyone in the community uses, seashells. Some communities use cocoa seeds as money, others use cattle, and so on.